XRP Army, what's happening? Welcome back to the channel. Ripple XRP holders. We've seen this happen before with the price of XRP, and I think we're getting ready to see it yet again. We just saw this similar pattern play out. We had a little bit of a pullback in the overall market. Bitcoin did its thing yesterday. XRP needed a little bit of a cool down period, but I think we're gearing up for the next big rally when it comes to XRP. I'll tell you guys why in this video as we roll along. What I need you guys to do is smash the like button, subscribe down below if you have not already, and drop some comments. I want to hear your guys' thoughts throughout the video. And let's take a look at the market, guys. Bitcoin went up over $103,000 yesterday, back down to 99K, pulling back today. Ethereum still just below 3,900. We did get close to 4K. Tether has reclaimed the third spot over XRP on the pullback. XRP sitting at 231. You know, we got really close, guys, to $3. We got into the 290 range on most exchanges. And then that South Korea news hit, right? South Korea went into martial law there for a little bit. A ton of the South Korea volume is coming into XRP. I mean, they are crazy when it comes to XRP. So that definitely damaged the price a little bit, but we also needed a little bit of a pullback in the market. We got that. But I do think we're getting ready for the next leg up, and I'll show you guys that in just a minute. This article says, is XRP's price rally over? 10% decline despite Bitcoin's 100K milestone. We saw this across the altcoin market, though. It says the XRP price breakout from the rounding bottom pattern signals the broader trend remains bullish, and we'll get to more of that here in a second. The ADX indicator surged to the oversold region of 69%. Indicating the need for a potential pullback to regain bullish momentum. And then the fib level shows 198 or 171 as immediate support for crypto buyers. XRP's price, pullback I key Fibonacci support levels. We are looking at 236 in the last 3 days. It came down to this coin is sitting here. The coin price currently seeks support at 236. Now we've broke it, 236. We're at 231. So we do have some downside risk here short term, back down to about 225, give or take. And it says here, if the correction extends, the altcoin could extend a correction down to 198. I would be shocked if we went lower than $2 unless something catastrophic happened in the market and we had a big sell-off overall. I don't think this would be something just XRP would experience. The weekly chart analysis reveals XRP's price in November experienced a great breakout above the 196 neckline. And this is, again, why I think we should stay above at least the 196 and even $2 range. I'd be shocked if we came down below that right now. But again, let me go back to the charts because this pattern that played out back here in November, right? We popped up to like 148. You guys can see it right here on the charts. And then we came down for about 4 days. Right? And then the escalator started coming back up. Very similar pattern playing out here than we saw back on the 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th. Very similar type of pattern. I think this is a little bit of a cool down period before we go ahead and make another run at new all-time highs. Well, at least new all-time highs here, at least in 2024, and really make a play at that $3 range. That's where I think we could be heading. Now, this says, why did the XRP price pull back? It says here, one of the most remarkable non-meme coin crypto rallies of 2024. The fall only becomes starker once the fact that December 3rd, just 2 days before, XRP stood at 282. And, you know, we didn't get the Ripple stablecoin when we thought we would get it. There was a little bit, I think, of that impacted the XRP's price. But as soon as we get this news, with Ripple stablecoin, this is going to pump the price again. As soon as we get any type of news regarding an XRP ETF, this is going to pump the price of XRP again. Anything of the sorts, Ripple's stablecoin, Ripple's IPO, XRP ETFs, XRP's lawsuit, new SEC chair says something positive about Ripple. There are so many different catalysts and different things that we could see happen that can drastically reverse this trend, at least this short-term trend that we're seeing on XRP. So the pullback right now, I'm not nervous at all. If we take a look at this, XRP exchange outflow trends reverse, shedding $2 billion as the price falls 10%. Ripple investors, it says here, XRP exchange outflows was nearly around $980 million. Again, though, a lot of this coming by way of Upbit, and that South Korean exchange. Okay. And I think slowly but surely that capital will come back in. South Korean traders absolutely love XRP. And I think they're going to come back into the fold here sooner rather than later. And XRP currently holding the line here at 230, give or take. We're at $132 billion market cap still. Guys, this is, in my opinion, just a very healthy correction. We're still up 55% here in the last 7 days. And I don't think this is anything to worry about right now. I think the overall market's in a really good place. You know, Solana, you look here, they've cooled down a little bit over the past week or so. Doesn't mean it's over. It just means it got really hot there for a second, and you need a little cool down period before you can have that next leg up. I mean, shit, think of Bitcoin before it broke 100,000. We were choppy for 2 weeks, right? We were choppy, and then boom, the breakout yesterday that we saw, you know, Bitcoin go from 95K all the way up to 103. And now we, you know, get that healthy pullback today, right? And that's kind of just normal, right? It's how the markets work. Very similar thing has happened here with XRP. And here's the thing, guys. We do have a decent support line here at about 225 that we bounced off of pretty hard just yesterday, right? So we came down to 225 just yesterday. As long as we hold that 225 zone, not worried at all. Not worried at all right now when it comes to XRP. I think there's more good news coming down the line when it comes to Ripple's stablecoin for sure. I think that'll be the first piece we get. Then after that, we're looking into, you know, January. Trump gets in, new SEC chair, a crypto committee put together by some great folks, and they are going to, I think, not only put guidelines and guardrails up for crypto, but they're going to help Ripple immensely, I think, fast track this lawsuit. I think we're going to see Ripple IPO. I think we're going to see XRP ETFs. This could all be coming in Q1 of 2025. So I don't think XRP is done by any stretch of the imagination. Just my opinion, though. Let me know your guys' thoughts down below. I appreciate you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one.